I think the owl ship is one of those cool Batmobile type vehicles, abstract shape that looks kind of like an egg and an owl mixed together. My team of designers have taken that shape and just made it pretty cool. If the illustrator, Dave Gibbons, was drawing the owl ship, we have taken that idea and just gone all the way with it, you know, to take a sort of iconographic shape and make it like into a real object that like lives in the world, you know, and that's awesome fun.
For the time period, this is a very advanced technology aircraft built by Dan Dryberg, the Night Owl, and he's like a total rocket scientist. It's radar invisible. It's got smoke generators on it so it can hide in the clouds. It can go underwater. It's got all sorts of advanced weaponry on it. It's a pretty futuristic thing.
This is the chipboard owl ship.
Yes. This one could never fly.
Never. This is the actual ship. This is how big it is. This is where they drive it from. But this is how big it is inside. That tape actually is where we're going to cut it off so you can shoot. So what we're doing is we're going to just test the two-dimensional owl ship and see if it'll actually work or whether we got to bring the whole giant one in here. That's Adrian's office.
You want it closer?
So it's kind of hovering.
The ribs are steel. The floor's aluminum. There's a steel framework underneath this that's quite structural because they're going to pick it up and fly it off a crane because it's flying around the streets of New York City. We've cut holes in it for lights and hatches, and the walls come out for camera access. And once we're finished that, set deck's going to come in and put in all the cabling, the piping, the hydraulics, the engine package, the seats, the consoles, the weapons, everything.
Is that it for the owl ship for the moment?
Yeah, I think the owl ship can go to its room and rest.